everyone. These affirmations are designed to heal your money DNA and invite more abundance into your life. By repeating them, you'll gently shift old beliefs and build a healthier relationship with money. Find a quiet spot, close your eyes if you can, and let each statement guide you toward greater prosperity. Let's begin. I release all inherited beliefs of scarcity, freeing my money DNA to vibrate with the energy of unlimited abundance. My mind is open to new opportunities for wealth, and my heart is ready to receive financial blessings with gratitude. I gently forgive any past money mistakes, knowing they have guided me to a deeper understanding of financial health. I trust the natural flow of prosperity in my life, allowing money to come to me with ease and grace. As I heal my money DNA, I become a magnet for positive financial experiences. Everything I do creates greater abundance. I replace worries about money with a clear vision of prosperity, confident in my ability to attract what I need. Each day I plant seeds of abundance in my thoughts and actions, cultivating a future of flourishing wealth. With every breath I take, I dissolve old patterns of lack and awaken my innate capacity to receive. I treat money as a trusted ally, welcoming its presence in my life without guilt or fear. Prosperity flows to me naturally. I align with opportunities for success, and they appear effortlessly. I see myself as worthy of financial freedom, and I allow that freedom to unfold without resistance or doubt. Every cell in my being is programmed for abundance, and I accept the joy of having more than enough. I celebrate each step I take toward greater wealth, knowing that each success is a powerful investment in my future. By loving myself deeply, I heal any wounds that once blocked my ability to prosper. Money comes to me in expected and unexpected ways, affirming that the universe is generous and supportive. I trust my intuition to guide me to wise financial decisions, honoring my ability to prosper responsibly. I am at peace with money, recognizing it as a tool that amplifies my positive impact in the world. Each morning, I reaffirm my right to abundance, releasing anxieties that no longer serve my highest good. I detach from limiting beliefs that suggest wealth is hard to attain, allowing a spacious path for prosperity to flow. I handle money with gratitude and care, ensuring that it circulates back to me multiplied in blessing. My relationship with wealth is grounded in positivity and integrity, paving the way for lasting financial growth. As I heal ancestral money stories, I free myself and future generations from patterns of lack. My self-worth grows in tandem with my net worth. I nurture both by choosing thoughts that uplift me. I am deserving of a life that includes financial comfort, meaningful work, and joyful giving. The more I share my gifts with the world, the more abundance returns to me in wonderful, unexpected ways. I bless my bank accounts with gratitude, trusting that they will expand and overflow in divine timing. I accept new opportunities fearlessly, knowing that trying something new can open doors to wealth. I am free from shame or guilt around money. I give myself permission to thrive. My mind, body, and spirit are attuned to the highest frequency of abundance. I flourish effortlessly. I focus on solutions, not limitations, affirming that every challenge contains the seed of greater prosperity. I give thanks for the resources I have, making room for even more blessings to fill my life. My creative energy expands my ability to earn and invest wisely, propelling me into a world of endless possibilities. I generously let go of what doesn't serve me, creating space for better financial opportunities to emerge. I treat each dollar with respect, acknowledging its potential to grow into a powerful source of good. My money DNA resonates with harmony and abundance, clearing any blockages that once kept wealth at bay. I openly receive the gifts of the universe, understanding that money is an exchange of energy and love. I stand confidently in the flow of success, trusting that my skills and efforts attract valuable returns. Financial blessings are my birthright. I activate them through self-love, clear intention, and inspired action. Each time I choose faith over fear, I strengthen the currents of wealth that flow into my life. I am constantly discovering new ways to diversify my income, and each avenue brings me joy and prosperity. Money is a channel for expressing my highest purpose. It supports my dreams and the causes I care about. I let gratitude lead my thoughts, knowing that an appreciative heart unlocks unlimited abundance. I replace doubts about my earning potential with unwavering confidence in my ability to achieve financial freedom. My money DNA thrives on kindness, generosity, and respect for myself and others. I let go of stress about the future, trusting that the universe meets my needs in perfect timing. I celebrate financial success in others, attracting similar achievements into my own life. Each transaction I make reflects my growing wealth consciousness as I spend and invest wisely. I adapt and learn from every financial experience, reinforcing my trust in life's unfolding abundance. I see every bill I pay as an opportunity to circulate energy, inviting more resources back to me. I cultivate a mindset of possibility, freeing myself from any thoughts that restrict the flow of wealth. I honor my talents and let them shine, understanding that passion and purpose naturally draw abundance. My money DNA is cleansed of scarcity-based thinking, replaced by the boldness to dream bigger. I choose to see wealth as a form of self-love, nurturing my dreams with care and conviction. I use each dollar as a symbol of expansion, placing it into the world with generosity and gratitude. I feel worthy of great prosperity, and I welcome the resources that enable me to thrive in all areas of life. I radiate confidence in my ability to create, save, and grow money. I am financially empowered. I trust that my past experiences with money shaped me for greater success today. I am free from old money stories that no longer serve me. I create a new narrative of wealth and possibility. My daily routines reflect my respect for abundance through intentional saving, mindful spending, and open-minded investing. I value the wealth I attract as a sacred resource, using it to uplift my life and others. I welcome new streams of income into my life, feeling gratitude for each door that opens. My inner dialogue is positive and supportive, reminding me that I am capable of reaching my financial goals. I joyfully share my prosperity, confident that generosity multiplies in unforeseen ways. I honor the flow of money in my life, trusting it to support my stability and my ambitions. I nurture a relationship with money built on respect, understanding, and balance. My actions align with the abundance I desire, creating a magnetic pull that draws wealth into my life. I cherish each opportunity to invest in myself, my skills, my well-being, and my personal growth. I rise above any outdated beliefs about my limits, freeing my money DNA to flourish and expand. My self-confidence grows alongside my finances. Both are rooted in the belief that I am enough. I send a steady flow of gratitude into the universe, trusting it returns to me as multiplied blessings. I am patient with my financial growth, recognizing that steady progress leads to lasting success. I firmly believe that prosperity is available to me, and I welcome it without shame or doubt. I keep my heart open to receiving money as a gift, a reward, and a natural result of my talents. I focus on what I can give rather than what I lack, knowing that an abundant mindset attracts more of the same. I listen to my intuition regarding money, trusting that inner guidance leads me to wise decisions. I am naturally drawn to lucrative opportunities that align with my highest vision of success. My financial freedom grows when I blend gratitude with responsible choices, creating a supportive cycle. I treat my money well, and it responds by working for me, multiplying in positive and fulfilling ways. I accept the truth that I can have both inner peace and abundant wealth as they complement each other. I cast off any shame around wealth, standing proudly in my right to live a comfortable and prosperous life. I consistently attract financial mentors, tools, and knowledge that enhance my earning potential. I nurture my creativity, letting it become the source of innovative ideas that generate new income. I envision money flowing in as easily as the breath I take, steady and sustaining. I bless every purchase I make, recognizing that I am paying for services and products that enhance my life. I release comparisons to others, trusting my unique path to financial abundance is unfolding perfectly. I invite positive, wealth-focused thoughts into my mind, which shape my reality and enlarge my capacity to receive. I allow money to circulate in my life with joy, acknowledging it as an endless, renewable resource. I trust the universe to meet me halfway whenever I step out in faith and pursue my financial goals. I empower myself by celebrating each and every financial milestone, no matter how small. I heal generational money wounds by choosing compassion, understanding, and fresh perspectives on wealth. I keep my finances organized, creating a clear space for money to flow in reliably. I deserve to enjoy the comforts and freedom that come with financial well-being, and I accept them fully. I wake up each day ready to expand my prosperity, taking actions aligned with abundance. I open my heart to the possibility of radical financial transformations, trusting all good things can happen. I let my higher self steer my financial decisions, ensuring they are in harmony with my values. I replace any anxiety around money with calm certainty, knowing I can handle whatever arises. I stand tall in my power to attract wealth, allowing confidence and clarity to be my guiding forces. I forgive any beliefs that said I wasn't capable of generating wealth, rewriting my story with unlimited possibility. I radiate a sense of financial security, drawing to me people and experiences that reflect this certainty. Each day, I strengthen my money DNA by affirming that I am worthy, capable, and ready to thrive in abundant prosperity. Thank you for taking these moments to align your mindset with abundance. If these affirmations resonated with you, please like this video, subscribe for more, and share with anyone who could benefit. Keep nurturing your money DNA and watch prosperity flow more freely into your life.